Hello everyone, my name is Ben and I'm going to tell you a little bit about record types today and when to use them. First, what is a record type? A record in Salesforce is basically just any opportunity or contact or account. And a record type is simply a different type of a single opportunity. So let's go into our setup and practice making a record type. Record types can be used for a lot of different things. Some of the main use cases for them are when you want to have a different page layout or a different set of pick list values in a drop-down menu, or a different lightning record page, or a different process for an object like an opportunity based on a record type. So in other words, let's go into our object manager and go down to opportunity. Let's say you have two types of opportunities, small and large opportunities. Right now I've got one in here for small, so let's go look at that. In the small opportunity, you can see here that we have the pick lists available for editing. So the small opportunity has a field called lead source. If I come in here, we can see the selected values here are only web, phone inquiry, partner referral for a small one. But let's say we wanted to have a large opportunity record type that had more pick list values. So I'll come in here and I'll do new record type, and I'm going to say here large. Okay, so process. For now, we'll keep it as the same sales process. And here you can select whether or not you want to make this available for these profiles. So with record types, depending on the profile that a user has, they could have a default record type for the opportunity object. So let's say a marketing user, when they access an opportunity, the default view or the way that they see an opportunity will depend on their record type if you have multiple record types active. So we'll say we'll just make this available for all these users, and we'll click next. Okay, and right now we could also, as I mentioned before, change the page layout for this record type. So this is the large record type, and we could choose any of these existing page layouts to be used for the large record type. We'll just keep it as marketing for now, and we'll move forward. Oh, there we go. All right, and now you can see here one record type large, and we come over here to lead source, and we've got different pick list values here. Alrighty. So another use case here, we covered that you can have different page layouts depending on the record type. You can have different pick list values. You can also have different paths or processes for the record type. So a path is basically a visual helper that shows the process of, in this case, an opportunity, from the initial contact with the opportunity all the way, hopefully, through close one and winning the opportunity. So let's open a new path, and I won't go through the whole process here, but let's say large opportunity. Okay, and it is on the opportunity object. And then here you can say large or small for record type. Okay, so we'll say large, and then here for stage, that shows the actual values in the path. So whether it needs prospecting, or if it's in review, or if it is closed won, different things like that. So you can have different paths depending on the record type as well. Finally, the last example here, over in our object manager, I'll just come down here again to opportunity. Here on the left, you can see lightning record pages. So a record page or a lightning page is an awesome feature of Salesforce that lets you customize how a record is displayed when you click on a single record. So if we come in here to view page assignments, we can see, let's just choose a default app here, sales, and then we can choose record type. So we can say, okay, for the large record type, and for, let's say marketing user. These are the record types that are showing right now. And then you can go in and assign different record types or different Lightning pages depending on the record type.